I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it's alright, it's alright. Kahit naman dyan sila, ano akong gagawin dito?
Ano pa?
Dito daw kayo. Ay. Uy! And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you, and I should never go away. When they close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today, and then if you can't remember, it's smiling, it's smiling, shining over.
Thank you, madam!
For sure,
Thank you, madam!
that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Well, you came in open me, and now there's so much more I see. It's so right the way I take you, and then for the times we were apart, when you close your eyes and know these words are coming from my heart, and then if you can remember. It's smiling, it's shining on you, and always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. In good times, in bad times, I'll be on your side forever. That's what friends are for. For sure, but what friends are for. In good times, in bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. He's smiling, shining over you. Can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times, in bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Always remember us this way.
Ay, kayo naman, saan pa?
Tayo na yung MC dito. Kain ka lang, madam.
Sige pa.
Hindi. Favorite ko yun eh. Grabe mo. Oh, left. Dalawa kayo niya.
Reyes, kantay mo.
G! G! Need your attention. Matik daw. I've known you for so long, you are a friend of mine. But if this is all we ever be, I love you ever since you are a friend of mine. But baby, this is all we ever could be. You tell me things I've never known. I'm shown you love you never shown. But then again, when you cry, I'm always at your side. You tell me about the love you had, and I listen very eagerly. Deep inside, you'll never see.
Uwi na kayo.
That makes me feel sad, but then again, I'm glad. I've known you all my life, you are a friend of mine. Right? I know this is how it's gonna be.
Sa patay.
I love you then and I love you still. You're a friend of mine. Now I know friends are all we ever could be. You tell me things I never know. I show you love you never show. Then again when you cry, I'm always at your side. You tell me about the love you had, and I listen very eagerly. Deep inside you never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad, but then again, then again, I'm glad.
Bali po kasama niyo. Ah, okay.
Sila naman siya. Wala ka tayong tawag na sa dito. Ang tayo niya. Oh, Chi.
Pakinggan natin yung mga bagong dating.
Oh, Chi. Ito bagong dating.
Hello po. Enjoy.